Okay, in this example, we want to find the area of the shaded region. We have a composite figure that has a trapezoid with a circle inscribed inside the trapezoid. So if we want to find the area of the part that's shaded in, we have to find the area of the trapezoid and then take away from that area the area of the circle that we are removing from the center or from inscribed inside the trapezoid. So I'm going to recreate the drawing on the whiteboard and we'll go from there. So we have our trapezoid and we want to remove from the trapezoid, forgive my drawing, you all know I can't really draw that well, the circle. The dimensions of this figure, this one base in the trapezoid was 27 inches, the other base was 14. And the radius of the circle is 5 inches. So if we want to find the area of the shaded region, which was this region that I've shaded in blue, we're going to find the area of the trapezoid minus the area of the circle. The formula for the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the bases, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's talk about the height of this trapezoid. We have a circle that's inscribed inside the trapezoid that has a radius of 5 inches. In a circle, all the radii are congruent, and by definition of a radii or a radius, it is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle, and there are infinitely many radii in a circle. So I can redraw this radius and say, forgive my drawing again, you all, say that this radius is 5 inches. All the radii in the circle will have a length of 5 inches. Well, now if I construct two radii from the center of the circle that form the diameter, we'll see here that the line that I've drawn in red represents the diameter of the circle, but it's also the height of the trapezoid. So the height of the trapezoid is 5 inches plus 5 inches, which is 10 inches. I'm going to use that measurement to help us calculate the area of the trapezoid. 1/2 of 10 inches times the sum of the bases, which are 27 inches plus 14 inches. And then we want to subtract from it pi times the radius of the circle, which was 5 inches squared. So the area of the trapezoid will be 1/2 of 10 inches is 5 inches, and 27 plus 14 is 41 inches. You can put all this in the calculator in one single line or one single step, and the calculator will do the computation for you. Minus 25 pi inches squared. And this should have been 41 inches. Excuse me, I said 41 but did not write it. So the area of the trapezoid, 5 times 41, or 5 multiplied by 41 is 205. And our unit of measure is inches squared. And 25 times pi is approximately 78 and 54/100 inches squared. Find the difference of those two. And we find that the area of the blue region that remains inside the trapezoid once we remove the circle is about 126 and 46/100 inches squared. I'm going to conclude this brief discussion by just reminding you that different shapes have different formulas for calculating the area. And you can find these formulas in your textbook in section 8.3. And I'm going to write the page numbers for you. Please refer to page 459 in your textbook. Let me know if you have any questions.